Number 1. 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D. Price, $16,000. Mileage, 67,000 miles. Location, Harrison, New York. A true California classic, this 1966 Mustang is the perfect blend of vintage charm and reliable drivability. Sporting its original inline-six engine, paired with a manual transmission, this pony car is as pure as they come. The sleek silver exterior contrasts beautifully with a bold red interior, and with solid, rust-free original floors, this Mustang has stood the test of time. It's been well cared for, recently fitted with a new clutch and 4 fresh tires. Tags are up to date, the title is clean, and there are 0 accidents in its history. Number 2. 1973 Chevrolet Camaro. Price, $28,500. Mileage, 123,456 miles. Location, Sardis, Georgia. This 73 Camaro is the kind of muscle car that turns heads and rattles windows, dressed in bold blue and powered by a built 350 V8. This beast delivers the kind of rumble that makes your heart race. A 4-speed manual transmission keeps you fully connected to the road, while the newly redone houndstooth interior adds a touch of classic style to the raw muscle underneath. It's not a trailer queen, but it's a clean, solid driver that looks great and sounds even better. If you're looking for a Camaro that's ready to hit the streets with power and attitude, this is the one. Number 3. 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air. Price, $35,000. Mileage, 1,356 miles. Location, Bridgeport, Connecticut. This stunning 1956 Chevy Bel Air is a perfect mix of classic style and modern comfort. Under the hood, it's powered by a 350 engine, paired with an automatic transmission offering a smooth and reliable drive. Equipped with power steering, disc brakes, and AC, it's built for comfort without compromising on its vintage charm. The interior is in excellent condition, complete with a new instrument panel, while the fresh paint job gives it that crisp, eye-catching look. Plus, with a new gas tank and everything running perfectly, this Bel Air is ready to cruise. Number 4. 1963 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova Supersport 400. Price, $118,500. Mileage, 99,900 miles. Location, Stockton, California. Here's a rare gem. This 1963 Chevy 2 Nova 400 Super Sport convertible is the only year Chevrolet made the Nova SS in a drop-top form. Powered by a classic inline-six, this car has a Clifford intake and dual exhaust header conversion, topped with a 600 Holley carb for smooth performance-driven cruising. The 2-speed Powerglide transmission gets the job done with ease, while the power-operated top is weathered and could use a replacement. It's still a true head-turner with the top up or down. Number 5. 1959 Chevrolet Bel Air. Price, $4,950. Mileage, 80,000 miles. Location, Orange, California. This 1959 Chevy Bel Air 2-door is a timeless beauty that combines vintage charm with modern upgrades. With just 80,000 original miles, this classic is powered by a Chevy small block, backed by an automatic transmission and an upgraded aluminum radiator to keep things cool. Vintage air conditioning ensures you stay comfortable while cruising, while a Pertronix distributor and a Phytech carb provide modern performance under the hood. The body is in stunning Highland green, with a rust-free, straight frame. Though the paint shows a couple of imperfections, it's still a standout. Inside, the green and black patterned interior retains its original charm, with working lights, windows, and seat belts. Number 6. 1968 Ford Mustang Fastback. Price, $556,500. Mileage, 300 miles. Location: San Jose, California. Get ready to experience a piece of American muscle history with this 1968 Mustang Fastback. This car is a true head-turner, completely restored and reupholstered with a fresh interior, new carpets, and a pristine headliner. Under the hood lies a rebuilt original 302 engine, now punched out to a 347 with an Eagle crankshaft, new rods, pistons, and a roller cam, giving it a serious performance boost. Mated to a brand new 5-speed manual transmission with a hydraulic clutch, this pony car is built for the open road. Number 7. 1966 Ford Mustang Fastback GT 350 Tribute. Price: $68,000. Mileage: 88,912 miles. Location: Collier, South Carolina. This 1966 Ford Mustang Fastback GT 350 Tribute is a true head-turner, blending classic muscle with modern upgrades for an unforgettable driving experience. Under the hood, you'll find a rebuilt 289 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor, mated to AC4 automatic transmission. With only 3,000 miles since restoration, the car's power is delivered through a smooth-running 8-inch Ford rear end with 3-o'clock gearing and dual exhaust, ensuring that iconic Mustang growl. Number 8. 1951 Chevrolet Fleetline. Price: $30,000. Mileage: 6,477 miles. Location: Empty Kisco, New York. Step back in time with this beautifully restored 1949 Ford Custom Deluxe, with only 6,477 miles since its restoration. This classic is a true testament to timeless craftsmanship, powered by a 100-horsepower flathead V8 engine. This Ford delivers smooth, reliable performance with a 3-speed manual transmission on the column. The exterior is dressed in sleek black, while the interior also boasts a fresh black theme, complementing the overall restoration. The real 1949 steel fender skirts and frame-off restoration add a touch of authenticity and elegance. Number 9. 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air. Price: $59,995. Mileage: 62,000 miles. Location: New York, New York. Experience the pinnacle of classic American muscle with this stunning 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air 2-door sedan. Under the hood, this beauty is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 engine, equipped with a 4-barrel carburetor, dual exhaust, and a lumpy cam that delivers an exhilarating sound. Paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission, this Bel Air offers smooth shifting and power when you need it most. The exterior flaunts a glossy black finish, while the interior is tastefully upgraded with rich burgundy accents, complementing the classic design. Number 10. 1963 Ford Galaxy 500. Price: $155,000. Mileage: 92,000 miles. Location: Bell Buckle, Tennessee. Introducing this classic 1963 Ford Galaxy 500, a true gem that blends vintage style with modern cruising comfort. Under the hood, it features the original 352 FE engine, paired with a smooth automatic transmission. Factory AC is included, though the system is missing a couple of parts, but it comes with all the other components, just waiting for you to finish it off. This car has received fresh metallic chestnut paint, and with no rust to be found anywhere, it's a solid piece of history. Number 11. 1957 Chevrolet Handyman Wagon. Price: $42,500. Mileage: 9,999 miles. Location: Charleston, West Virginia. Take a look at this stunning 1957 Chevrolet Handyman Wagon, an absolute powerhouse that's sure to turn heads. Powered by a built 468 big block Chevy motor with aluminum heads, roller cam lifters, and rockers, this engine runs like a dream. It's got a steel crank, Pete Jackson gear drive, and is mated to a Muncie M22 Rock Crusher 4-speed manual transmission with a blow-proof bell housing. The car features painless wiring, LED headlights, and a throaty 3.5-inch dual exhaust that sounds incredible. Underneath, it's been upgraded with a 4-link cow Trax rear suspension, new front lowering springs, shocks, ball joints, and disc brakes. Number 12. 1973 Ford Mustang Mach 1. Price: $69,999. Mileage: 4,634 miles. Location: Cleveland. Engine producing 300 horsepower, paired with a smooth C6 automatic transmission. The exterior is a stunning burgundy metallic, recently ceramic coated, showcasing an upgraded grille, NASA scooped hood, and custom touches like sport mirrors and a front and rear spoiler. The 15-inch Magnum 500 wheels gleam, mounted with BFG tires that give it a commanding stance. Number 13. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Convertible SS 427. Price: $52,900. Mileage: 94,300 miles. Location: Cincinnati, Ohio. Get ready to cruise in classic style with a striking 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Convertible SS 427, a true muscle car icon finished in gorgeous white with black SS hockey stripes. This beauty is a head-turner, powered by a 427 engine, actually a 454 with a 396 crank, that delivers around 375 horsepower, ensuring plenty of performance and thrilling rides. Number 14. 1970 Plymouth Road Runner. Price: $89,999. Mileage: 39,219 miles. Location: Round Lake, Illinois. Here's an absolute gem for any classic muscle car enthusiast: the 1970 Plymouth Road Runner. This survivor, with just 39,219 original miles, is in remarkable condition with the original matching drivetrain and an unmolested, well-preserved body finished in the eye-catching lemon twist yellow. This Road Runner captures the essence of classic muscle, designed to go fast and turn heads. Under the hood, the 383 cubic inch engine with 335 horsepower is paired with a 727 TorqueFlite automatic transmission. Number 15. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro RS SS 396. Price: $54,900. Mileage: 6,362 miles. Location: Cincinnati, Ohio. This is a head-turning 1969 Chevrolet Camaro RS SS 396, finished in a gorgeous deep metallic blue that catches the light in all the right ways. The car has undergone extensive upgrades, with a freshly rebuilt 396 engine, dyno-tested for performance, coupled with an upgraded turbo 350 automatic transmission for smooth and reliable shifting. It also boasts performance enhancements like an aluminum intake, Holley carburetor, high-performance ignition, and a new aluminum radiator to ensure the engine runs cool even under heavy acceleration. Number 16. 1968 Pontiac GTO Convertible. Price: $56,000. Mileage: 412 miles. Location: Madison, Alabama. This true 1968 Pontiac GTO convertible is the epitome of muscle car history, combining original numbers-matching specs with thoughtful upgrades to make it the perfect daily driver. With only 412 miles since a complete frame-off restoration, this GTO is a blast to drive and an absolute looker. Finished in a stunning red paint job, originally burgundy, the car features classic GTO elements like factory power steering, his and hers automatic transmission, hideaway headlights, and factory disc brakes. Number 17. 1954 Chevrolet Classic Sedan 4D. Price: $12,990. Mileage: 15,997 miles. Location: Huntsville, Alabama. This charming 1954 Chevrolet Classic Sedan is a beautifully preserved piece of automotive history, offering both style and a smooth driving experience. With only 15,997 miles on the odometer, this car is in excellent condition, retaining its original appeal while being fully ready for cruising. Finished in a timeless green exterior with an off-white interior, the car has a distinctive retro charm, making it a standout on the road. This two-owner classic has been well cared for. Number 18. 1969 Chevrolet LS3 Camaro Restomod. Price: $95,000. Mileage: 1,111 miles. Location: Alberta, California. This 1969 LS3 Camaro Restomod is the epitome of muscle car performance and modern upgrades. Finished in a striking all-black exterior and interior, this Camaro has a fierce, aggressive look that matches its power. Under the hood, it features a 530 horsepower LS3 engine with a Stage 2 cam kit, paired with a 6L86 speed automatic transmission. It's engineered for top-notch performance, with Willwood disc brakes at both ends, upgraded coilover shocks, and tubular ARS for a smooth, responsive ride.